How can I be more productive without feeling overwhelmed? Today, we like to do lots and lots of things, and the world around us is constantly feeding us with more and more. So, you have to switch into the less and less mode. Start pushing things away, start saying no to a lot of things, and becoming mindful of that one or two big things you need to achieve in your day. Okay, of course, we want to do hundreds of things, thousands of things, we want to be good in this and that. Sometimes we have to say no to a lot of things and focus on one thing, right? And leave it for another day. And for that one or two things, see what you can do to take that minimum one step closer to that, right? Focus on consistency every day. Don't focus on how big it is. Focus on consistency before you focus on quantity, and focus on quantity before you can focus on quality. If you can follow this steps, if you can follow this pattern, you'll start seeing that you're able to achieve much more from your day and achieve your goals much more faster and easily.